Welcome to our channel, where quality meets expertise. We upload daily videos to empower our viewers with insightful product knowledge. Today, we're diving into the world of technology to find the best Wi-Fi boosters. If you're looking to enhance your internet experience, you're in the right place. Stay tuned for expert insights and recommendations. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow us on social media to stay updated with our latest content. Let's make your online journey faster and better together. Number 1. Netgear EX7300 Wi-Fi Range Extender. Netgear's EX7300 is as powerful as a standalone Wi-Fi router. Dual-band boosters operate on two frequency bands. 2.4 GHz has longer reach, but slower speed, while 5 GHz has less coverage but increased data rates, and the EX7300 by Netgear, one of our favorite router brands, handles both with aplomb, offering an easy-to-install, high-throughput extender. Featuring WPS, Wi-Fi protected setup, it joins your existing router with the press of one button and operates under your established network name for seamless roaming. Its 2,200 megabits per second, 2,000 square foot performance can handle up to 35 devices simultaneously, and an Ethernet port lets you make a direct connection to a smart TV or gaming console to ensure uninterrupted speed. Just make sure to place the booster where coverage is established and steady to amplify a uniformly strong signal. Number 2. TP-Link Omada EAP225 Outdoor Access Point. If you want to extend your home's network to a patio or porch, TP-Link's EAP225 is the Wi-Fi booster to get. Housed in a discreet, dust and watertight IP65 rated enclosure, TP-Link Omaha AC1200 EAP225 Outdoor Repeater is the best outdoor Wi-Fi booster. Protected from all sides against the elements, the TP-Link Omaha will deliver stable coverage through anything short of a flood. It even features lightning protection. It's got dual-band and MU-MIMO support, allowing for seamless roaming around your yard, pool, etc. When integrated with similar units, it forms a self-steering, self-healing system to reroute data and maintain connectivity in case of one device's issue. And, featuring support for a software-defined controller, the Omaha AC1200 will use the cloud for remote configuration, meaning no need to brave the threat of real clouds if the network needs maintenance. Number 3. Google Nest Mesh System, 2nd Generation. The 2nd Generation Google Nest Wi-Fi router system is the most powerful option for boosting your home's Wi-Fi network. If you aren't already locked into a router and already think you may need 2 or more extenders to cover your space, the Google Nest AC2200 Mesh System is a no-brainer for the best mesh Wi-Fi system. A scalable system, the $195 base package comes with a dual-band 2.2 gigabits per second router and 2 access points intended to cover up to 1,600 square feet. Add more as needed, meaning your 4K video will stream flawlessly no matter where in the house you wander. The nodes use a proprietary channel to talk to one another, strengthening the signal between each other. And Google's simple-to-operate iPhone, Android Home app allows the system administrator to create separate guest networks, remotely see what devices are connected, and even pause connections when necessary. I'm looking at you, homework time. Number 4. TP-Link Archer T4U Plus USB Wireless Network Adapter. TP-Link's Archer T4U Plus is a cost-effective way to extend your Wi-Fi network without sacrificing speed. Offering 2 adjustable, multi-directional antennae and a 1.0 meters USB 3.0 cable, the TP-Link AC1300 Archer T4U Plus offers flexible positioning and dual-band support, so you can pick the frequency for an optimized network experience based on your needs and location. It's completely compatible with both Windows and Mac operating systems, and supports WPA2 encryption to secure connections. In addition, its MU-MIMO certification means the highest efficiency and minimal lag with a similarly equipped router. When in doubt, always match your Wi-Fi extender specs to that of the router to ensure the strongest streams. While this USB Wi-Fi booster cable uses USB-A, the standard, rectangular slot, there are plenty of adapters to purchase if you need a USB-C connection. Number 5. TP-Link RE230 Wi-Fi Extender. If your needs are modest, TP-Link's RE230 Wi-Fi Extender is a cost-effective way to boost your home's wireless network. Equipped with dual-band performance and WPS compatibility, the TP-Link AC750 RE230 is the best cheap Wi-Fi booster with a way to quickly drop in another access point for web browsing and other lower-intensity online activities. For everyday use, watching HD video, conducting Zoom calls, etc., the TP-Link RE230 should deliver up to 75 megabits per second and doesn't lack much besides expense. Easily set up and manage your Wi-Fi in a few quick and easy steps using the TP-Link Tether app, Android, iOS. Find the optimal location for the best Wi-Fi connection with an intelligent signal indicator. Experience wired speed and reliability anywhere in your home by connecting your favorite device to the fast Ethernet port.